Project code ITIMP 18. Project title Detail Preserving Underexposed Image Enhancement via Blend Exposure Fusion. Our aim: recover a underexposure and overexposure images into normal quality images. These are the underexposure images to converted the normal clear images. So, first of all, what is underexposure images? In underexposure images is a low light images. It will be captured low light images, and overexposure is a high light conditioning. It will be taken from high light conditioning. So we use it in multi exposure model and blend exposure to enhance the images. So first, what is exposure? Exposure is the value to improve the quality of images. Like for example, we are taking 10 from the first images to improve 20 to 30, 40. So exposure level will be increased. In exposure is the intensity of the images. And next, so in existing, they used to do different model. For example, AVAS model to remove the exposures. For example, here the AS3 model they used in RGP channel. They separate the RGP channel. Finally, they detect the better images. Some drawbacks: here the underexposure images is not satisfaction result. Give the not satisfactory results. So it's a mm, so one frame image from the night time video. In proposed concept, our proposed concept we used in multi exposure images and a blend exposure model. Proposed advantages: get a better image from the under exposure condition, existing method explanations in dark channel period. Yes, removal is a method to detect the underexposure images. Some drawbacks from the DCP is a overexposure to the exposure to the sky images. Our proposed algorithm we use in underexposure images with the different model. First of all, these are the different exposure model. Finally, we fuse the model, get the better result. The block diagram. First of all, you take an input image and a clock. So clock, we use the clock algorithm to adjust the histogram level from the input image. And next, we use the multi-exposure image enhancement. Likewise, we will be detect the multi-exposure level, and finally, you fuse the images, get a better result. So application like is a image correction and image video enhancement model. So mainly detect the objects in the images. In future, they analyze in live videos. So I used it in MATLAB 2018A to analyze the project. Why using this software mean is a easy to learn and understandable language, and it have more toolboxes. With the help of these toolboxes, we analyze and improve the image quality. 64 bit OS is a must to analyze the image. And next conclusion, to improve the quality of under and over exposure image with the help of blend exposure model. Thank you.